I'm Harini Uddagiri, Principal Architect at Aloka Design Studio. We are here at Rajpushpa Provincia, a luxury apartment thoughtfully designed and executed by our team. Completed in under 2 months, this apartment is a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and precision. Let us take you through the beautiful transformation. The interior has been thoughtfully designed to create a warm and welcoming first impression. A sleek shoe rack with concealed storage ensures the space remains organized and clutter-free. Soft beige tones, wooden textures, and subtle gold accents come together to define a refined and inviting foyer that sets the tone for the rest of the home. The drawing area is designed with balance of modern lines and earthy warmth. A custom-built TV unit in rich teak finish serves as a focal point, with gold detailing adding subtle luxury. The neutral palette is enriched by layered material and soft furnishings, giving the space a timeless and inviting feel. This wall features elegant 3D paneling with concealed lighting complemented by wooden panels highlighted with golden strips for a refined tone. The multifunctional counter acts as a bar unit, breakfast counter, and a seamless extension to the dining table, while also serving as a partition between the living and dining areas. The design enhances functionality while maintaining a refined and cohesive look throughout the room. The dining area follows the same warm material palette. A statement chandelier here adds a hint of luxury, while soft lighting keeps the space cozy and inviting. The wash area reflects a sense of luxury with its warm finishes and elegant detailing. A stone-clad backdrop adds textures and richness, complemented by an asymmetrical mirror with a gold frame. A refined console cum crockery unit designed with elegant arches and warm teak tones, adding a touch of traditional to the living room. The Buddha artwork and accent lighting create a serene focal point that balances luxury and calm. The living room wall features a continuation of 3D panel design, creating visual harmony throughout the space. The kitchen is designed for efficiency and modern functionality. Matte beige cabinetry is paired with black profile glass shutters and a black granite countertop, creating a sleek and contemporary contrast. A dedicated space has been provided to tuck in water purifier neatly within the space. The puja room is designed to evoke calm and positivity. The stone-textured backdrop and subtle wallpaper come together beautifully, creating a serene and elegant setting for daily rituals. The master bedroom is designed to evoke elegance and warmth through a soothing palette and refined detailing. Every small detail has been thoughtfully executed. A gold metal putty runs between 2 laminates for a neat and polished finish. The wardrobe complements the overall theme with ample storage and a seamless look, while the window seating with storage below creates a cozy spot to relax. The child bedroom is designed in a playful white and blue theme. A soft textured wallpaper and geometric wardrobe design brings a fun yet calming vibe to the space. Open shelves with profile lighting highlights toys and decor beautifully, adding a warm glow to the room. The guest bedroom follows a soothing grey theme with a calm and balanced aesthetic. The bed backdrop features elegant 3D wall panels towards the corner. Every detail has been carefully considered. A black inlay between the grey laminate and stone-fluted laminate on the wardrobe adds refined detailing and a seamless finish. Every corner of this home reflects thoughtful design, attention to detail, and a trust our clients placed in us. From planning to execution, we have ensured that aesthetics and functionality go hand in hand. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough at Rajpushpa Provincia. Stay tuned for more of our projects where every design tells a story.